Hello everyone. Welcome to Justice English Academy. In today's lesson, you will learn useful daily English conversations that you can use in real life. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Practice every sentence aloud. Let's begin. Conversation 1. Greeting someone. Person A, good morning. Person B, good morning. How are you today? Person A, I'm doing very well. Thank you. How about you? Person B, I'm great. Thank you for asking. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing very well. Thank you. Conversation 2. Introducing yourself. Person A, hello. My name is David. What's your name? Person B, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Person A, nice to meet you too. Repeat after me. My name is David. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Conversation 3. Asking for directions. Person A, excuse me. Can you tell me where the bank is? Person B, certainly. Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left. The bank is next to the supermarket. Person A, thank you very much. Person B, you're welcome. Repeat after me. Can you tell me where the bank is? Go straight. Turn left. Thank you very much. Conversation 4. At a restaurant. Person A, welcome. May I take your order? Person B, yes please. I'd like a chicken sandwich and a bottle of water. Person A, certainly. Your order will be ready soon. Person B, thank you. Repeat after me. May I take your order? I'd like a chicken sandwich. Thank you. Conversation 5. Shopping. Person A, excuse me. How much is this shirt? Person B, it's $20. Person A, that's a good price. I'll take it. Person B, thank you. Repeat after me. How much is this shirt? I'll take it. That's a good price. Conversation 6. At school. Person A, what subject do you like best? Person B, I like English because it's interesting. Person A, that's wonderful. Keep practicing every day. Repeat after me. What subject do you like best? I like English. Keep practicing every day. Conversation C. Phone conversation. Person A, hello. May I speak with Michael? Person B, speaking. How can I help you? Person A, I'm calling about tomorrow's meeting. Repeat after me. May I speak with Michael? I'm calling about tomorrow's meeting. Conversation 8. Meeting a friend. Person A, hi. It's nice to see you again. Person B, it's nice to see you too. How have you been? Person A, I've been very well. Repeat after me. It's nice to see you again. I've been very well. Conversation 9. Asking for help. Person A, excuse me. Could you help me carry this bag? Person B, of course, I'd be happy to help. Person A, thank you very much. Repeat after me. Could you help me? I'd be happy to help. Thank you very much. Conversation 10. Saying goodbye. Person A, it was nice talking with you. Person B, it was nice talking with you too. Person A, have a wonderful day. Person B, you too. Goodbye. Repeat after me. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Conversation 11. At the market. Person A, excuse me. How much are these bananas? Person B, they are $5. Person A, okay, I will take them. Repeat after me. How much are these bananas? I will take them. Conversation 12. Asking for time. Person A, excuse me. What time is it? Person B, it is 3 o'clock. Person A, thank you very much. Repeat after me. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. Conversation 13. At the bus stop. Person A, does this bus go to the city center? Person B, yes it does. Person A, thank you. Repeat after me. Does this bus go to the city center? Yes it does. Conversation 14. Talking about weather. Person A, how is the weather today? Person B, it is very sunny. Person A, that's nice. Repeat after me. How is the weather today? It is very sunny. Conversation 15. At school. Person A, can I borrow your pen? Person B, yes, here you are. Person A, Thank you very much. Repeat after me. Can I borrow your pen? Yes, here you are. Conversation 16. Asking for help. Person A. Could you help me, please? Person B. Yes, of course. Person A. Thank you. Repeat after me. Could you help me? Yes, of course. Conversation 17. Talking about hobbies. Person A. What do you like to do? Person B. I like playing football. Person A. That's great. Repeat after me. What do you like to do? I like playing football. Conversation 18. At the shop. Person A. Do you have this in a bigger size? Person B. Yes, we do. Person A. Please show me. Repeat after me. Do you have this in a bigger size? Please show me. Conversation 19 phone call. Person A. Hello, is John there? Person B. Yes, please hold on. Person A. Thank you. Repeat after me. Is John there? Please hold on. Conversation 20 saying goodbye. Person A. I have to go now. Person B. Okay, see you later. Person A. Goodbye. Repeat after me. See you later. Goodbye. Conversation 21. At the airport. Person A. Where's the check-in counter? Person B. It's over there next to gate 5. Person A. Thank you very much. Repeat after me. Where's the check-in counter? Thank you very much. Conversation 22. At the hotel. Person A. I have a reservation. Person B. May I have your name, please? Person A. My name is David Brown. Person B. Welcome. Your room is ready. Repeat after me. I have a reservation. Your room is ready. Conversation 23 at the doctor's office. Person A. How are you feeling today? Person B. I have a headache. Person A. Please take a seat. Repeat after me. How are you feeling today? I have a headache. Conversation 24 at the library. Person A. Where can I find English books? Person B. They are on the second floor. Person A. Thank you. Repeat after me. Where can I find English books? They are on the second floor. Conversation 25 at work. Person A. Are you busy right now? Person B. No, I'm available. Person A. Could you help me with this task? Person B. Certainly. Repeat after me. Are you busy right now? Could you help me with this task? Conversation 26. Making plans. Person A. Would you like to have lunch together? Person B. Yes, I'd love to. Person A. Let's meet at 1 o'clock. Repeat after me. Would you like to have lunch together? Let's meet at 1 o'clock. Conversation 27. At the supermarket. Person A. Where can I find milk? Person B. It's in aisle 3. Person A. Thank you. Repeat after me. Where can I find milk? It's in aisle 3. Conversation 28. Asking for permission. Person A. May I use your phone? Person B. Of course. Here you are. Person A. Thank you very much. Repeat after me. May I use your phone? Of course. Conversation 29. Talking about weekend plans. Person A. What are you doing this weekend? Person B. I'm visiting my grandparents. Person A. Have a wonderful time. Repeat after me. What are you doing this weekend? I'm visiting my grandparents. Conversation 30. Ending the lesson. Excellent job. Today you practiced 30 useful English conversations. Keep practicing every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Congratulations. You have just completed today's English lesson. I hope these daily English conversations help you speak English more confidently. Remember, practice a little every day, and you will improve your English step by step. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment telling me which conversation was your favorite, and subscribe to Justice English Academy for more daily English lessons and conversations. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep speaking English with confidence. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.